Ben.
On to the weather now, and tonight's photo from Gail Peters was taken at Coffin Bay National Park on the Eyre Peninsula. It was warm but mostly cloudy across Adelaide today. In the city it reached 30.4 degrees at 1:45 this afternoon after a warm overnight low of 24.1. Further afield, conditions were wet, stormy and humid across central and northern parts. It reached 40 in Cooper Pedy. Cloud across the country is associated with low pressure and troughs. Those systems with an influx of tropical moisture are generating showers, heavy rain and storms over parts of WA, the northern tropics, north and east of SA and western parts of Queensland, New South Wales and Victoria. High pressure in the Tasman Sea should keep the east dry, with 27 for Brisbane, 29 in Melbourne and 35 for the Alice. Back home, hot and humid tomorrow, severe storms in the north, showers and storms moving east across the state ahead of a southwest to southerly change. Stormy across much of the south, but fine and sunny over the lower Eyre Peninsula, 25 in Port Lincoln and 29 for Keith. There's a severe thunderstorm warning for damaging winds, large hail and heavy rain for the eastern Eyre Peninsula and parts of the west coast, Flinders and pastorals. There's also a downy mildew advice for several forecast districts, and that flood warning of course remains in place for the River Murray. Morning and afternoon showers across Adelaide tomorrow with possible severe storms. 28 for the city, 19 overnight. On the waters, variable northerly winds tending south-southwesterly to 15 knots and seas around 1 metre. Sunrise around 6 o'clock with sunset at 8:30. It's looking good for the rest of the week. 25 on Friday and Christmas Eve. Santa's arrival should be cool, but then 32 on Christmas Day, climbing to 39 next week. And that's the latest from the Adelaide newsroom. Thanks for your company. Laura Tingle's up next with 7:30.